Trading Tips, Part 3. Number 1. Understand your own personality and trading style. It might seem like obvious advice, but knowing your own personality and trading style is much easier said than done. We all have our own personality and goals, and we all have our own unique approach to the markets and trading. You need to know what your personality and approach is if you want to be a successful Forex trader. Number 2. Choose your best broker. You already know there are literally hundreds of brokers you can choose from, and each one is different in some ways. Some focus on specific asset types, while others may work best for a broad approach. There are brokers for beginner traders and others for pro traders. Number 3. Learn and practice several trading strategies. If you want to make Forex trading a career, you should want to become an expert Forex trader. That means learning and mastering multiple professional trading strategies. Just as a lawyer will have a different approach to traffic court versus civil court, so you need to have a different approach to different market conditions. Having several trading strategies at your disposal gives you a broader look and understanding of the market. It also gives you the option of having the best trading strategy no matter how market conditions change.